The HP OfficeJet Pro 9150E is a versatile, very all-in-one printer designed for home offices or small businesses. It supports printing, scanning, buying, and faxing, and comes with a bonus 6-month instant ink subscription when you activate HP Plus, giving you immediate access to ink delivery and cloud-enabled features. Print performance and quality. This model delivers up to 22 pages per minute (ppm) for black and white documents and up to 18 ppm for color ISO standards. The print resolution reaches 1200 x 1200 dpi black and up to 4800 x 1200 optimized dpi color. It also supports automatic two-sided duplex printing, helping reduce paper usage, scanning, copying, and fax functions. On the scanning side, it features a dual-pass automatic document feeder, ADF, that can scan both sides of a page in a single pass. The flatbed supports standard sizes up to 8.5 guarded 11.7 in. Copies can be made up to 99 copies in one go, with reduction enlargement from 25% to 400%. For faxing, it supports color fax, speed of about 4 seconds per page, with memory for up to 100 pages, paper handling, and capacity. The printer includes a 250-sheet input tray and a 60-sheet output tray as standard. It supports automatic duplex printing. It is compatible with various paper types and sizes, including plain, photo, glossy, envelopes, and custom sizes, from 3.5 in up to legal or 8.5 by 14 in. Connectivity and mobile printing. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, 802.11a Beacon, Ethernet, USB 2.0, and USB host ports. It supports mobile printing methods such as AirPrint, Mopria, and printing via the HP Smart app. Memory, processor, and controls. It is equipped with 512 MB of memory and runs a 1.2 GHz processor, which helps handle print jobs smoothly. The user interface is via a 2.7-inch capacitive touchscreen for intuitive navigation, duty cycle, reliability, and security. The monthly duty cycle is rated up to 25,000 pages, with a more realistic recommended monthly volume of up to 1,500 pages. Physical and environmental specs. The printer's dimensions are about 17.3 by 13.4 10.94 in DUX and it weighs roughly 20.4 lb. Power consumption peaks around 30 watt when printing and drops to lower levels in standby or sleep modes. Operating temperature and humidity ranges are broad enough for typical office environments. Overall, the HP OfficeJet Pro 90.5E offers a strong balance of speed, flexibility, and smart cloud-ready features for small offices or productivity users. The 6-month instant ink trial with HP Plus adds value, and its security, duplexing, and scanning capabilities make it a solid all-purpose option. If you like, I can also list pros and cons or compare it with rivals.